sedan.
Hey, thank you for tuning in. This is Steve Perkins with Russ Darrow Kia, Wauwatosa. I just wanted to touch base with you. You know, we have an award-winning warranty that comes with every one of our brand new vehicles, and Kia didn't just stop there. They also added with every Kia certified vehicle a certified Kia warranty. Now that means that your vehicle has gone through a 164-point inspection to make sure that it meets Kia's stringent standards and that the vehicle's great and safe on the roads. Not only that, you get the remainder of the 5-year, 60,000-mile comprehensive warranty, plus the 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. On top of that, Kia gives you roadside assistance for 10 years and unlimited miles from the in-service date of the vehicle. So when you're shopping and you see a Kia certified vehicle, you know that it's just like buying brand new. Congratulations on your purchase. Happy motoring.